So what is my top selling digital product? I'm about to tell you. So first, I want you to give me a like and follow. I'm a business coach and a marketing consultant here in Montreal, and I've been helping men and women all over the world start and profit from an online business. My top selling digital product right now is a program that's going to teach you how to make money working from home selling digital products. So it's a digital product, yes, that shows you how to make money selling digital products. And here's the kicker. So you're going to learn, you buy the program, you're going to learn all the sales and marketing skills you need to launch, profit, and really start your own online business so that you can get out of debt, pay off your credit cards, buy a car, save for vacation. Back to school's coming up, so you don't have to struggle when you're filling up that card at, for back to school supplies. Maybe you want to retire early. Maybe you have retired and you're trying to fill in the gaps in your income. Maybe you have a business and you're just not attracting clients on repeat, so everything becomes feels really difficult and really hard. Maybe you're even selling in an MLM, in a direct marketing model, and you're having trouble attracting paying clients. And what I say by attracting is that you're probably out chasing them. This business is all about teaching you the skills you need to build your business and attract customers. So you're not chasing them. You're not sending them DMs. You're not following up with them. Okay. You're not hitting up your friends and family and all the friend requests on Facebook. None of that. It's going to show you the skills you need to build your business by implementing strategic sales and marketing tactics. Okay. You're going to use social media. You're going to build your email list, because your email list, that's where the money is. You're getting all your potential buyers on that email list. And how do you get them on the email list? We're going to give you a website and a sales funnel. Okay. We're going to give you the entire sales system. So you're learning what you need to be do each and every day. Okay. Which is typically 2 hours a day, creating 3 pieces of content. We're going to give you the website and the complete sales funnel. Okay. All you have to do are connect the dots. Again, you're going to learn that. And we're going to give you 4 products you can resell for 100% profit. There's a $100 product, a $300, a $600, and a $900. And in each of these different products is a program, just like I'm talking to you about right now, okay? Each of those has different learning modules, okay? Plus, you're going to be accepted into the digital growth community. There are about 32,000 other people just like you, just like me, selling digital products and making money daily. You're going to get mentored by 6- and 7-figure earners. If you have a question, if you get stuck, you can, write in the community, ask a question. This is for life. You have access for life. Plus, we're going to give you the 4 products. So you're going to learn all the sales and marketing tactics you need to really build a business, to launch your business, and to profit from your business. So, here it is, number 1. Number 2, you're going to get funneled into a community, a mastermind community, where you're able to take advantage of 6, 7 free trainings each and every week. If you're stuck on social media, take a social media training. If it's in your mind, right, you don't believe, you can't hype yourself up, take a mindset course. If you're stuck on some of the tech, jump into the tech training. And then we're going to give you the 4 products you can sell, which are digital marketing programs. You sell one, you make $900. I was just talking to a friend and she was saying, you know what? I'm selling in, Mary Kay or Avon or what have you. And how many lipsticks do you have to sell to make $900? A whole hell of a lot. Okay, a whole hell of a lot. So you're spending all this time, talent, and energy, and somebody else is making more money off that lipstick sale, or that oil sale, or that candle sale, what have you. Okay, same with affiliate marketing, same with direct marketing, what have you. In this model, this is called master resale rates. You're making 100% profit. Okay, plus you're learning valuable skills. And your business is automated so that if you're like me, you're on vacation, your business is still working. I'm going shopping this afternoon. My business is still operating. I could potentially make a sale this afternoon while I'm out spending money because I'm making money. It's automated. It works 24/7 for you. We give you the full automation. We give you the complete sales system. We give you all the training. We give you access to the mastermind so that you can take advantage of coaching that you probably could, not afford otherwise. It's as simple as that. What I want you to do is drop a comment below and I will send you my free blueprint, okay? You will get all the info. You'll get a short video. And then, hit me up. Send me a DM if you're serious. Let's get you started. Your September could look a whole heck of a lot different, okay? If you get started today. You could be up and running in 7 days. I was up and running in 4 days and I made my money back day 10. I don't make any promises, okay? I do other things. I have a consulting business. I have private clients. I own a clinic. This is a passive income stream for you. So if you have a current business, this is a great way to supplement. If you are at home and you've been out of the workforce, or you want to get out of that 9 to 5 that's driving you nuts, and that boss that's, on your chops every day, this is an option, okay? So drop a comment below. I'm going to send you the free blueprint and let's get this done.